this is Samantha from Colorlight. At the back is Colorlight Micro LED Automatic Production Line Solution, MICA. MICA is Colorlight's self-developed system that incorporates automatic in-color sorting, multi-angle defect detection, and pixel-level calibration. It integrates with various modules such as the scientific gray image capture instrument, assembly line production equipment, and the data storage and management server, enabling comprehensive management of your production line. This intelligent system significantly enhances productivity and detection accuracy. Moreover, MICA standardizes the production management and ensures data security, allowing for simplified operations and reduced after-sale costs. With the rapid development of micro-LED industry, products like COB 0.4 or 0.7 catch so much attention. However, these fine-pitch products may appear such as color aberration, low-grade mottling, or uneven transitions between the cabinets or the modules. Colorlight, with more than 10 years of R&D investment in calibration technology, our self-developed scientific-grade calibration camera CCM3000 has addressed this issue. With its ultra-high resolution of 16 million pixels, the 4K screen brightness calibration only takes up to 15 minutes without moving the camera. It uses the CIE 1931XYZ filter and equipped with a 16-bit high-precision sensor, a built-in constant temperature refresher system to precisely capture each LED's brightness and chromaticity. Meanwhile, with the software algorithm optimization for COB screens, it can effectively eliminate the non-uniformity within the modules.